During the COVID-19 epidemic, sanitizing your phone is just as crucial as cleaning other surfaces, and the same is true for the case that protects your device from contamination. According to the Federal Communications Commission, the average American checks his or her phone 52 times each day, so increasing the frequency with which you clean your smartphone would be a wise decision. According to Julie McKinney, Ph.D., the R&D Director of Equity, Claims and Compliance, Hygiene, and Home at Reckitt Benckiser, that's 52 ways for germs to spread. We recommend that you disinfect your phone at least once a day as a prophylactic measure in light of this. Even if your phone usage is quite modest on a general basis, experts recommend that you take your phone out of its case on a frequent basis to give it a thorough cleaning. And there are a few items you'll want to keep on hand to ensure that this crucial piece of equipment remains bacteria-free for as long as possible. Take your phone out of its case at least twice a week for a better experience. As Jennifer Parnell, the co-founder of Humble Suds, explains, you'll want to look at your lifestyle to determine how often you should clean your phone. According to the researchers, for example, someone who spends the most of their time at home will require significantly less cleaning of their phone than someone who interacts regularly with other people and places. An expert in cleaning recommends that you remove your phone from its case at least twice a week for a thorough cleaning and disinfection. She also recommends that you consider your case to be an extension of your phone, and that you wipe the outer layer of protection on your phone on a regular basis. Learn how to properly sterilize your case. Cleaning your phone cover is similar to cleaning other high-touch surfaces, such as a table or a tabletop. According to Parnell, disinfectants such as isopropyl alcohol, hand sanitizer, or a disinfectant spray should be used. Simply follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure that you don't end up damaging your device. If you're disinfecting a case, we recommend cleaning it first with an all-purpose cleaner, such as the Humble Suds All-Purpose Cleaner, $14.95, humblasuds.com, or wiping it down with soap and water, she says. Once the case is dry, spray it with a disinfectant or hand sanitizer, or dab some isopropyl alcohol on a cloth and dab it on it. After that, let it to dry. Get rid of the microorganisms on your phone. Your phone, on the other hand, will necessitate a little more attention. As a first step, check sure your phone is completely unplugged before cleaning it. According to McKinney, it is also best not to spray cleansers, aerosols, or cleaning solutions containing harsh chemicals like bleach directly onto the device. It is possible to eliminate bacteria with a Lysol disinfecting wipe, available for purchase on Amazon.com for $13.29, or you may just wipe off the surface with a lint-free microfiber towel, such as the Your Choice microfiber cleaning cloths, $5.76, Amazon.com. In order to avoid scratching the phone screen, apply a light coat of cleaning solution that is compatible with your brand once you have done this. Among other things, Samsung phones, for example, may be cleaned with alcohol, says Parnell. To clean a phone that has been certified for use with alcohol-based cleansers, turn the phone off and make sure it is not plugged in. Spray or dab isopropyl alcohol or an authorized sanitizer for electronics onto a piece of paper or a lint-free microfiber cloth and gently wipe the phone, being careful not to get any liquid inside. Other phones, such as Apple iPhones, cannot, however, be safely cleaned with rubbing alcohol. It is possible to eliminate bacteria and viruses on electronic devices by using a UV cleaning tool such as the Sharper Image Smartphone UV Sanitizer, $7.99, HomeDepot.com, which does not harm the device itself. Keep these essentials clean by keeping them together. In Parnell's opinion, cleaner hands equals a cleaner phone. Wash your hands frequently and routinely throughout the day, and you'll find that the transmission of hazardous bacteria to your phone will be lessened. She also recommended that you refrain from using your cell phone when out and about until you have the opportunity to wash your hands properly. Consequently, if you're going to the grocery shop, bring a notepad and a pen to jot down the items you require. Another piece of advice? Always avoid bringing your phone into areas where bacteria is prevalent, such as the bathroom. In addition, according to a study published in the journal Germs, a median count of 17,032 bacterial 16S gene copies per phone was found in a study of high schoolers' mobile phones. According to a study conducted by the University of Arizona, this represents around 10 times the number of bacteria found on a toilet seat. Yikes. So, now that we all know too much to ever go back to our old ways, especially now that disinfection is so important, let's work together to move forward in the right direction. In the opinion of Emily Toth Martin, an assistant epidemiology professor at the University of Michigan, disinfecting your phone daily, if not more frequently, is a good idea, particularly if you use your phone during meals. Toth, on the other hand, disinfects her phone twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. It is widely agreed among germ experts that our phones are a possible source of contamination. Alternatively, as one doctor explained to Lifehacker, the screen itself is a harbinger of bacteria and viruses. A number of reports have surfaced of illnesses being spread via the displays of our smartphones. The flu virus, for example, can persist on a hard surface for up to 24 hours before dying. The following is a breakdown of the procedures that I now follow on a regular basis. To begin, remove your phone case and turn off the device. I prefer to be extra cautious. Smudges can be removed from the exterior of your phone by gently wiping it with a soft, lint-free cloth. Microfiber is very effective at trapping dirt and absorbing oily stains, as demonstrated above. Spray the 70% isopropyl alcohol and distilled water solution onto a clean cloth or microfiber wipe and use it to wipe your phone down the sides of the screen. Never download anything directly into your device. A second option recommended by Apple is the use of Clorox disinfecting wipes as a substitute. Stay away from the ports, openings. Allow for a minimum of 10 minutes of air drying time on your phone. The manufacturer estimates that it will take around 4 minutes for a Lysol wipe to completely clean the surface. Remove any remaining moisture from the surface using a clean paper towel. Last but not least, clean your phone case. According to Apple, for cases made of hard durable plastic or silicone, you can gently clean them with a clean cloth dampened in warm water and a mild hand detergent. You can also use a mild cleanser and a dry clean towel to clean your surfaces. It is suggested that leather cases should be cleaned with professional cleaners. A year ago, all of this could have seemed a bit extravagant to me. The current situation of the globe, on the other hand, suggests that it is particularly prudent to begin practicing better telephone hygiene as soon as feasible, like, go clean your phone right now. And, of course, maintaining a higher level of personal hygiene as well. A clean phone is worthless if our hands aren't clean, as is our mouth.